Hey loves, what's up one? Welcome to my channel. My name is Chanel and the name of my channel is Aesthetic Nell because I'm an aesthete. I randomly found that word one day while scrolling through Pinterest, and the definition was someone who is deeply inspired by art and or nature, and I thought, wow, that's me because I'm inspired by both. I love nature, I definitely want to travel the world, and I also love all forms of art. So instead of naming my channel Aesthete Nell, I thought Aesthetic Nell sounds better. So that's inspiration behind my channel name. Now that that's out of the way, what can you expect from my channel? The number one thing to expect is hair videos, specifically natural hair, because that is what's inspired me to join YouTube in the first place. I joined YouTube in November 2013 and I was basically looking for ways how to care for my hair. 2 years after that, I big chopped and went natural. So the main reason I started my channel is to inspire others to go natural and love their natural hair, specifically type 4 hair, just like I was inspired by other naturals. Another thing to expect on my channel is discussion videos. Before starting YouTube, I had a blog on which I shared my experiences, personal opinions and views on different topics, and I thought since that blog is sort of dormant right now, okay, it is dormant, but I thought I have an audience on YouTube, why not share some of the topics that I have been inspired to talk about on YouTube. Finally, there will be lifestyle content on things that are inspired by my personal life, for example vlogs and travel videos. And that's what to expect from Aesthetic Nell. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you haven't already done so, please subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you're notified whenever I upload a new video. I'll see you in my next one. Bye!
When joy comes to mind, it will light up your heart and to love you and the storm.